Toyota Probox. If not the most popular car in the country at the moment, then I don't know what is. Even toddlers know what a Probox is, and probably not for the right reasons. Don't get me wrong. By no means am I trying to say that a Probox is a bad car, cause judging by its popularity and adaptability to many environments all over the country, you'd be tempted to declare it the best car for what it is. I mean, this car sells by the thousands daily. But can the same be said about their drivers? Before we get deep into that, welcome to Vehicle Sensation. Consider subscribing if you haven't already for more uploads. Probox drivers are a different breed of people. For example, take a look at this Muppet. He thinks he's in a submarine. Just because he added spring spacers, he believes that gave him all the floating capabilities of a tank. But it's not a rowing boat. The doomed car went down like the Titanic when it hit the iceberg. You may think by now you have seen the worst of the Probox drivers, but wait till you see how far deep their level of insanity goes. A Probox will run another Probox off the highway and will totally refuse to let others cut in, let you join the junction in front of them, neither will they let you overtake them in peace. They are dangerously driven and believe that the Probox is the superior car on the road. From the external appearance, it looks just like any other wagon of its body stature and capacity in terms of size. But on the inside is where all the magic happens. These cars have no limits to their capacity or number of passengers it can ferry. With the right amount of money, the owners of these cars come up with ingenious ways to fit cargo and passengers enough to fill a minibus in a Probox. I'm still baffled by how these guys managed to fit a full-size cow in the trunk of that Probox. Isn't it ingenious? Maybe they shape-shifted into cows and convinced that cow to squeeze itself there, and now there's a cow in the passenger seats and the one behind the wheel. This is the exact reason why some insurance companies require Probox owners to sign a declaration of use to curb the misuse of a Probox. A Probox is like a plug-and-play USB device. Instead of buying a pickup truck and having to hassle over inspection stickers, reflectors and speed limits, instead you just get a Probox. It's the equivalent of a plug-and-play USB device. Buy and drive, then carry anything that suits your business. How they manage to get away with all this, you may wonder. But the answer is money. They grease the hands of the policemen at every roadblock. That's why the Probox madness continues. Talk of safety. Would you feel safe in any of this? Personally, I won't. The body of this car is made of this thin sheet of metal, almost foolscap sized in thickness, that dents easily, and in the case of an accident it mangles up like a piece of paper, killing all its occupants in the instant. I guess this is why they like to put aftermarket bull bars on these cars. Talking about aftermarket parts, you can never look good in a Probox, no matter how outrageous the body kit is, flashy rim, bull bars, or color you paint it. Other ricey modifications such as fake wood scoops, unnecessary stickers pasted all over the rear window, and worst of all a shining ladder and spade only make it look more stupid. The most irritating of all mods they like to do is the addition of high intensity LED bar lights that blind all other road users. And that's it for this episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below. Tell me of your experience with Probox drivers. I try to reply to all comments. What other drivers do you think have an equally bad reputation and should feature on the channel? Support the channel by subscribing. Bye for now and see you next time.